Morning.
Good morning.
When did you switch on the lights?
Right when I pulled in behind you here. Did you see me?
I saw you, but I didn't see the lights until like...
I waited till we got up here because I seen your motorcycle parked here before.
Yeah.
So I'm Officer Nelson. I'm a police officer for the college district. You understand?
Yeah.
You're a student here?
Yes.
Okay, the reason I'm stopping you is for the display of your motorcycle plate. You want to go ahead and get off your motorcycle?
Yes, sure.
And just walk over with me to my motorcycle. In order for the plate to be displayed properly, it has to be to the rear of the rear tire, and it has to be up and down like this. This is properly displayed, okay?
Okay.
So as far as your bike goes, so his is tipped up as well, so that's not legible. It needs to be, and they make these. It's a little attachment around here, or maybe up here, and then the plate could be
okay.
here, or maybe even right there under the license. Or the
Okay.
You understand? Are you the one that put it up there?
No, I bought it like that.
Okay. All right. Do you have your driver's license with you?
Yes, sir. 1 second. Can I take off my helmet?
Yeah, go ahead. 537.
I can bend it down a little bit if that helps. Any registration as well?
Sure, if you have it. How long have you had the bike?
A year approximately. I bought it last year in October. It's the first time I get stopped. Also made it last year when I moved here.
Registration?
Yes, I think so. Oh no, that's all the stickers that came with the bike.
Keep off of this.
One is the old one and one is the one with overlap. The old one or the new one? Okay, that's why I have blood. That's why I have blood with me.
Code 40. Okay, so also the speed limit on the campus is 20 on the loop road, and it's very easy to climb above that.
Yeah.
You did a good job stopping for the pedestrians, so I appreciate that. So if you could, when you leave the campus, just kind of mind the 20 miles an hour.
Yeah.
There's no real reason to split lanes to leave this campus, unless it's like, stop traffic.
Yeah,
Understand?
got it.
But just find your way off and then be safe.
Okay,
right?
thank you. I appreciate it.
Take care.
Have a nice day. That was my first ever police encounter. Exciting. Nothing happened. He just told me about my number plate and that I shouldn't go too fast, but I behaved.